Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to pair the Plantronics Explorer 500 Bluetooth headset with a Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 phone. And of course this should work with other up-to-date Xiaomi phones as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we do anything with our Xiaomi phone here, we want to first turn this thing on. And to turn it on, the slider switch to the side here must be go up. Turn it up like this. You'll see that green, which means it's on. So make sure the slider switch is where the charging port is. That's the on. Now the next thing is you're gonna long press right here. This area here is actually a button. You're gonna long press it and hold it down until you see the blue-red flashing lights. Let's do that. We'll press it down and hold it until you see this. Now when you see this, it means the headset is now in a pairing state. And once you've got it to do that, then you're in good hands. So we'll go to settings. And in our Xiaomi phone, we'll go to where it says Bluetooth. And then you'll simply turn this on. And of course, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You'll see PLTE 500, which is Plantronics Explorer 500. Tapping it one time, it will say pairing. And then you'll see this. If you want, check it. If not, you can still pair it. And it's going to say connecting, tells you the battery life percent, and you are 100% connected and ready to use. And other than that, if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.